Hi guys, this is Ram and I consult businesses for digital marketing and sales proposals to increase their footfalls, increase their sales, increase their app downloads, or any sort of digital marketing needs they have. So today we'll be talking about how I get clients, how I pitch the clients, how I used to get clients for free. So the main topic for today is how I used to get clients for free and not just relying on referrals or any ads because I didn't have any money. The money I was getting, I was using it to on my expenditures and not using it on Facebook ads and all. So, which is a very big mistake, I would say. If you are getting a client, let's say worth $100, then spend the $100 on your own ads again. Get some inbound clients and get some outbound clients, which I'll be showing you on how to get the outbound clients. Outbound marketing and inbound marketing works hand in hand. So let's get into the video first. You might be seeing this video on Instagram or TikTok or wherever I have posted. I'll be posting it on Omni platform so that this video can get as much reach as possible. And if you get any value from the video, do let me know and do follow me on LinkedIn so that I get to know that you guys are really benefiting from the video. So let's just start. So just go on Google and write Google Maps lead. There is some problem with my MacBook and I cannot get it repaired because of the lockdown here in Delhi, India. Even the Apple store said that it will take somewhere around 45 days to get it repaired. So I have already installed a few extensions. If you can see, so these are some of the extensions. I'll just close these tabs. So this one I don't know, the price is not available. Let it be. This one let it be. Yeah. This one is a good one that I tried. Then we have this one is also, this is I guess a paid one that I just checked in the morning. So in the initial times when I started around 4 years back, I used to get clients like this. Went onto the Google Maps, I typed in any niche, let's say home tutors. We were searching home tutors in the morning for my team to call and pitch because online home tutors the thing is on a very top-notch high right now as many schools are closed and they are also hosting the online classes, but the tutors are not able to go to visit homes and teach the students. So many tutors are looking for online classes. So we are looking to get some clients for our own agency as well. So this was we were using. Then secondly, we you also have the online class fields. Let's say you have in India we have Just Dial as a very good class field that many of the businesses are listed there. You can check, you can go and let's say you have got any query about mobile repairs, let's just go and let me just show you only Just Dial. So this is a class field in India, in our country. It's a very famous class field that we have. Okay, so let's just go and let's say you are looking for a business. Let's say you have a strong hands, you know that you can get leads for mobile repair services. So you just go and type mobile repair services, you type in your area, let's keep it completely the whole city I'm keeping. You can even keep it to, let's just search. Okay, let's search Dwarka. Let's just put Dwarka and yeah, it searches. Initially, I knew that I had a good hand in many of the industry. Let's say it was the salon industry, it was even the mobile repair industry, it was into the teaching industry, the sofa repair industry, the cushions and all dry cleaning industry. I had a very good hand running their ads. If you can see, this is also an ad that is being run by Just Dial only. So you see there are one, two, three, four, five. There are a lot of mobile repair stores nearby this Dwarka area. So by the way, Dwarka is the area where I live. So what you can do is you can pitch these guys that I can get you leads. You don't have to pay any upfront charges. You pay only as per lead or as per conversion, whichever way you are comfortable. Let's say a guy is going for $5 per lead, and if let's say the lead will definitely cost cheaper to you, let's say it costs $2, you can have the $3 as the margin. You can say whenever I give you a lead, you give me the money of $5, or you can say let's the best possible thing that I used to do was, let's say you give me $100 and every time I deliver you the lead, I'll deduct $5 from it, and let's say after 20 leads, you'll have to pay me the $100 again. And there are a different kind of models that you can work out. I'll make a different video on that later. So if you want a video, you can just comment down, and I'll make a separate video for that on how you can cater your packages, so that if you can also cater the medium-sized businesses. Also, you can cater the big businesses. Definitely, the big businesses won't be having a problem or trouble paying you, but they do need to see that you are a capable person. They will verify that you have done some previous works, or if you have some good knowledge or any certificate. Although I don't believe that certificates are everything in this field, but still that's a good thing to pitch in front of a client, that you are Google certified or Facebook certified or whatever it is. So now you can see you'll get the leads from here if you are from India. If you are from any other country, then do let me know what all class fields do you have in your current area. Moving on to the Google Maps extractor. So here we have this extractor. I'll just remove it and add it again just to show you. I also will be showing you the how to do the inbound marketing for your own freelancing business or your agency, or if you are working for any agency as an affiliate. I'll show you the ads. I'll show you how to make the ads. But let's keep it in the separate video. Otherwise, this video will get a lot longer. I'll try to keep it short within 10 minutes or something. Let's just type home, not humor, home tutors, and just start the process. Personally, I just love this extension. This is not a, I would say, a paid promotion or anything, because I my channel is not very big, so they won't promote me. But this is the extension that I have been using since I started, and I use it right now as well with a paid version. But you can use the free version and get the 50 leads. I guess the free version has a 50 leads capacity. Then you can just uninstall and reinstall. I'm not telling you to do this on a regular basis. If this thing gives you the money, then I would suggest you to buy it. It's very cheap, somewhere about, I guess, $1 or something. So this will keep the hassle low. If you are earning $500 from this, then paying $100 won't be a big issue. So as you can see, we have got 6 leads till now. It's I'll just show you how it's doing its job. It's at clicks, and I guess it's a Python based thing. I don't know, I'm not a techie guy or something. So let's just stop and we'll see it will download. Yeah, it asks us to download, so we'll just go to the downloads folder. We'll type in today's date, 21st 04 20, home tutors. Okay, so let's just save it. I personally don't like the pages thing, but sometimes it helps catering the data to the clients. Making the charts and all are very much easier on the pages or the numbers, so I just keep them in handy. But I personally prefer an Excel. So here you can see we have the 6 data, I mean the numbers, the names and everything. So yeah, you can see now you have the phone numbers. I'll just click here, I'll tap on the or text, it will walk the text, and you can see we have got the numbers. Yeah, we have the name, we have the number, longitude, latitude, not doesn't matter much to us. We do have the website as well. Also, we do have the address as well. So there was one more topic I wanted to tell you. So let's just keep it in another video, which most of the agencies are not doing, but that's a very powerful technique to get, which got me a few clients. But then I had misplaced, and I saw a few other techniques to get the clients. So none of my team members did that. So here from now you can call the client, you can pitch them. I'll just tell you a small pitch. So the pitch goes like, hey, am I talking to home tuitions, let's say, and we are getting a lot of inquiries from parents about online tuitions, and we can forward you the leads without any upfront charges, and we can give you somewhere around 50 leads per month. Would you be interested? If the client says yes, then go on to the following, that how the package works. If you have a package of $100, or you upfront charges, let's say $4,000, and you'll run the ads or whatever it is, you can just pitch them. If the client says no, then tell them that there is a small package that we can go for. He can go for a trial. You can provide them few leads, and they can see, and then they can pay you the lump sum amount or whatever it is. Okay. So I would suggest you to try this method and let me know. Also, one big thing that you should remember is if you are getting business from this method, you should try the paid method as well, the Facebook ads method, because that helps you reach a wider audience, and that helps you build your own brand. When people see your face, people will remember you. People will see that you are running ads. You are a, let's say you do have a good budget as well on your side, that you are running your own ads. Also, it helps, the best form is the branding, because people will be keep on seeing your ads, let's say today, tomorrow, then day after, one or the other day they will definitely click, because they need your services, they are a business. We'll go on to targeting the business in another video. Let's just keep this video short, and hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, do let me know in the comments. Also join me on LinkedIn. I'll put a LinkedIn link, I would say, and I'll catch you in the next video.